Hey, Luigi.
Hi, Toad. How you doing?
Good.
So, what do you want to do?
Build a fire first.
Okay. I'll go get wood.
Next minute later.
Okay.
Hi.
I'm back with the wood.
Fire.
Okay. So,
Tent.
yeah, go in the tent. Bye. Oh my god. Oh my god. Toad, hug me.
I'm okay.
You're gonna kill me. You're gonna kill us.
I'm running.
Me too.
Bye, Mark. I mean, Luigi. Luigi, we left. Come back. Hey, dude, what's up? I'm Pippin.
Be quiet, they might come back.
What might come back?
The light.
Maybe other animals could. I'm going in the tent again.
Okay. Why are you talking about beavers?
I'm scared. Bye. Well, that's our story about the animals now.
And Katelynn said dang, by the way. Just if you were wondering. I know it's hard to hear with the camera. So let's meet the stars of our show. Katelynn starred Toad, and I starred Luigi. So,
Bye.
yeah, we'll see you on YouTube.
Sure.
Do comment below.
Bye.
Comments below. And if you like it, maybe I'll get a video of Cadence. Like the reading talking toy, if you like that. So, bye.
Really?
Yeah,
You
really.
just did up.
By myself, I meant.
Okay, okay.
She's not my sister.